In the last video, we talked about if it is possible for you to become a self-taught designer, and the answer was yes, it is possible to become a self-taught designer. Now, what is the process? What is the procedure for you to actually become a self-taught designer? Now, number one is that you don't have to practice things randomly, like anything that comes your way, you practice. That is not, you're going to get distracted. Don't practice today male wear, tomorrow children's wear, next tomorrow female wear. You're going to get yourself distracted. Now, for you to embark on any journey, being a self-taught is a journey, and you need to actually sit and calculate yourself. Is this what you're capable of doing? If yes, learn to organize yourself. There are different branches of fashion designing, as in tailoring and all of that. Which area do you want to go into? Do you want to do kiddies wear? Do you want to do adult female wear? Do you want to do male wear? Do you want to do costumes? What is it exactly do you want to do? Check it out on the internet. Make lists of things that different areas of fashion designing that you want to go into. Now, once you have outlined a lot of them, pick the one that is of interest to you. One that is of interest to you, right? So let's assume you want to do adult female wears. Okay, so in adult female wears, there are a lot of designs, there are a lot of things. Do you want to do boo wears? Do you want to do fitted wears? Do you want to do occasion wears? Those are different categories of wears that you have in adult female wears. Now, you're not going to pick randomly. Today you're practicing corset, tomorrow you're practicing boo gown, to the next day you're doing trouser. You're still not going to get it. You need to start from the very beginning, start from the foundation, start from the easy things, and begin to move up from there. Once you have identified that you want to learn about adult female wears, make a list of all the clothes, different types of clothes that you know an adult female wear can wear, right? So which one comes easy? Which one do you think is easier for you to start with? That is the area you need to start and concentrate on it. Now, before you go into that, make sure you have understood the basics of sewing, mastering the use of your sewing machine, having all the sewing equipment and tailoring materials or tailoring tools that you need in order to put your pieces together and make something out of it. Understand the basics. Understand the art of drafting a simple pattern that contains the neckline, the armhole, the length of the dress that you want to make. Simple patterns, like I said in my previous video, makes it easy for you to actually understand what you want to do before moving into complicated patterns. As in, not that complicated, but patterns with so many lines that will help you achieve different things. Learn to do free wears like this kimono jacket, then you can begin to go into fitted wears. Understanding the basics is very important. You can also do this on your own. Practice the basic things. Once you've practiced the basic things, you can then begin by choosing which area of designing that you want to go into in adult female wears. Finish one part first, as in, it's not possible to finish everything, right? But then get to a certain stage before you move to another design. If you're going to go into boo, make sure you've done a lot of boo wears. Make for people in a way that they appreciate it. You understand the act of making boo wears before you move into shirt making, right? Do different types of shirts. Do for yourself, do for people, and see how it comes out on them. Shirt has different components. Understand all the different components and how to fix them together, and it comes out very beautiful. When you're done making shirts, you can then move to another thing. Maybe making a trouser, maybe making a gown, and all of that. By so doing, gradually you become good at what you do. But then it requires a lot of effort, it requires a lot of concentration, it requires a lot of focus, right, and determination for you to achieve what you want to do. Of course, a lot of research. Can you be a self-taught designer? Yes, but it will take you some time. And if you don't have that patience of waiting for a long time and practicing on your own, endeavor to pay someone to teach you, either online or offline. Someone who will concentrate on teaching you the arts of fashion designing. And of course, we are here for you anytime, any day. What is it that you want to learn about? So reach out to us through the WhatsApp number in our bio, and you will have to be taught the arts of fashion designing, beginning from pattern, the basics of pattern drafting. We are always available. All right, so in the next video, we're going to see. My name is Justice.